Hello there, friends of the BMG project, and thanks a lot for tuning in to Kev's Kitchen, special episode number 3. As always, only for your friends and only and exclusively here on our TBMOGP channel. In this special episode number 3, I'm showing you guys how to tweak and especially how to bake a delicious pepperoni pizza without oven. What? Baking pizza without oven? Is this even possible? Well, yeah, it is possible, and this way it tastes even excitingly different than usual, and it comes with a crispy bottom and at the same time a fluffy, creamy surface. And all it takes is just a good timing, a kitchen stove and a pan, and a conventional frozen pizza that you guys can buy at pretty much every grocery store nearby, plus a few smaller ingredients such as onions and semi-hard cheese. So basically ingredients that almost every one of us has in the kitchen. And just in case you guys might wonder what my inspiration for all this was, well, a few months ago all of a sudden my oven broke down, and out of desperation, so to say, I started experimenting around, and so my idea of Kev's Pan Pizza was born. Alright then friends, before we can start we need the following ingredients, respectively things: a frozen pizza of your choice or even a freshly made pizza, onions, preferably red ones, low-fat semi-hard cheese such as Gouda cheese or mozzarella cheese, oregano, salt, and pepper seasoning. This being said, friends, feel free to add other things to your Kev's Pan Pizza if you want to, for example fresh tomatoes or fresh capsicum. Regarding the whole baking procedure, grab a conventional frying pan and heat it up on your stove for a few minutes, and eventually turn down the cooktop's temperature to minimal because we want to bake and not to fry our pizza, and don't forget to always keep the lid on the pan. And after approximately 15 to 20 minutes, your Kev's Pan Pizza will be ready to serve. Well then friends, now enjoy watching me preparing and baking our Kev's Pan Pizza, and as always, bon appetit!